Hi, welcome to Mass Courses. Do you ever notice that our creativity is sometimes limited to software subscriptions, their availability in devices, and in their countries? Well, in this today mini course, you will learn how to design your all social media in one place without using any software or paid subscriptions. You can sync your design on all devices. It means you can use it on Mac, PC, Android, and iOS, and any browser that you know. The best part is this software is powered by Adobe. So why wait? Let's get started. Now let's open any browser that you are using. I'm using currently Microsoft Edge. So let's open it and let's search Creative Cloud Express. And the first website you will see Adobe Express, which is also formerly called Adobe Spark. Its later name was Adobe Spark and now it's called Adobe Creative Cloud Express. So let's open it. And after opening the website, you will have to log in. I'm already logged into this website and all the magic starts here. So let's start for free. And this is the design dashboard. You can see there are all the sizes of Instagram story, Instagram posts, Facebook post, posters, logos, flyers. You can see that there are quick actions that you can, in spite of design, you can also remove backgrounds, convert any images to GIF, resize the video, resize images. You can start off from popular templates. You can see here some are animated templates. You can see this is animated template, and here are Instagram stories, Instagram posts, trending backgrounds. Some of them are free. I think most of them are free. Facebook posts, posters, everything you need to know. You can also learn this software by clicking on here, but today I will show you how you can use Creative Cloud Express to design your social media and anything. You can see there are your projects. When you create any project, it will be here. I think it's a premium service. Libraries, you can use any Adobe fonts, Adobe stock, and it will be show here. Now we can create design from scratch, but now first let's select any template so we can see that how Adobe Express works. So let's choose any Instagram post, or let's say we choose Instagram story. Let's say this one. Let's create from this template and it will load all the design assets, anything that were in the design, and you can see them here. Now you can see that this is an image, this is a design asset, and everything will be available and customizable here. Now on the left side, I don't know which one is your right and left, but on the left side here you can see that there are templates that you can choose from. You can add another template. If you don't like this one, you can go to text. There is no text in this design, so let's choose any text. So let's say this one, and when I click on it, it will be shown on our design. It will take some time. Now you can see that the text appears here, and it is a group of two texts, so it is also called edit group. Now you can ungroup it, and you can see now individual text. Now you can see that you can edit your text, you can add styles, you can add colors, fonts, sizes, you can make it curved, grid, magic. You can add shape to your text, add shadow, and also you can add outlines. They also recommend fonts that you can use for this text. After that, you can see that we have photos. You can upload your own photo to this design, or you can choose any photo from here. Now let's choose this one, which is featured free. And when we select it, it will be loaded to design as the text did. And you can customize it, you can rotate it, resize it, and to make sure that it matches your brand. You can add shapes. As you can see that image is loaded on our design. You can select it, you can resize the design, you can rotate it, you can add styles, you can add background, you can replace it, you can add filters, enhancements, anything you want. And it all happens in one place. And you don't need any software and any paid subscriptions. How amazing is that? When I select on shapes, you can see there are tons of shapes that you can use in your design. And these all are free. There are design assets. There are ready-made assets that you can use. Let's say I want to use a plant. When I search it, you can see that there are free plants that you can use in your design. Let's choose this one, and it will be automatically added to your design. Now you can see that it is transparent plant that you can use anywhere in your design to enhance the design. And these all are free. Now we have backgrounds. You can select these background and it will be added to your design. Now let's say we choose this one, and it will give you two options. If you want to pin it to background, it will automatically add it to your background and it will not move. Or you can use it move freely, so you can move it around according to your design. There are logos and libraries. And you can see that it is saving every second to make sure that you don't lose your design. You can also go back if you make any mistakes. And the best part that is that you can share this design with any friend, colleague, or your boss, so they may review the design or they can make changes. Now everything is completed. Let's say we want to export this design. For this, let's go to download, and there are three options that we can download the image in. There is PNG, JPG, and PDF. PNG is for transparent images. If you want your image to be transparent, you can select PNG, but I will recommend PNG for any design export. JPG is not a transparent, and PDF is PDF. I will highly recommend that you choose PNG. So let's start download. And now it says that you want to download it as a transparent PNG or solid color PNG. Let's choose it solid color PNG. And it will start downloading right away. And you can see that how easy is that, and it is already saved in clouds. It means that you can install this app in your mobile phone, iOS, Mac, anywhere, and you can use this design, you can customize this design anywhere, you can export it anywhere. Now as you can see that our design is downloaded, let's go to downloads and open this project. Now as you can see that our design is downloaded. Let's open this design, and here it is. And you can see that how high quality design is this, and you can easily customize it. It was just a template to show you how the design will work. We will also later create our Instagram post from scratch to see how every functionality works. Now let's create a Instagram post from scratch. So let's say there is a company named Mask and they sell bags. And there is a Black Friday and it's 50% sale. So let's create an Instagram post for this. So let's open the Express dashboard again. And another thing that I want to tell you that we can also install it as an app. So you can select this and it will show that install the app, and when you can click on the install it will automatically install on the your PC, and you can see that it is now the app. You can go on the start and you will see here. Now let's select Instagram post start from scratch, and when it loads it will only show empty canvas and where we can add our design assets and anything. So let's first add an image of bags. So let's go to photos and search for bags. So let's search for bags, and you can see that there are a lot of bags that we can add to our design. Now let's choose this one. It's clean. Now let's resize it to make it more friendly. Now let's change the background color to same thing like this. So let's go to colors and let's click on the color picker and choose this one, and it will automatically change the color of the background. Now you can see that our background is changed to the same as this one. Now the second thing we need to do is to write text. So let's go to text. We can choose templates here, but let's add your text. We can add our own text, and let's select this and let's say mask. Let's resize this. Let's also flip this image. So let's click this, and also let's enhance this design so it can match the background color that we have selected. So after creating an empty project, you will see an empty canvas, and here you can add all the design assets. Now let's say as we said that the brand is selling bags. So let's add an image of bag. So let's go to photos and let's search for bags. And you will see a lot of images related to bags, and let's select this one because it's a little bit clean. Now let's resize this image. Also, let's flip this image. Now, now let's add any text. Let's first add the text of our brand, which is mask. So let's add your text and let's change the text to mask. Let's give it a little bit another color. Let's go for the black. And also let's change monster regular to little bit bold. And let's move it to the left. Now the second thing we need to do is to add the text for saying that there is a sale. Also let's first add the Black Friday. So here let's increase the size, change the text to Black Friday. Let's move it here. Let's change this to left align. Let's change this color to, let's say, this one. And also let's now add the text of saying that there is a sale. So what we can do is we can duplicate the text. For duplicating the text in window, you can use Alt and drag it down or where you want to put the text. Now let's change this text to 50% sale on the winter collection. Let's resize this. And also let's change it from bold to light. Now as we have added these text, let's add the call to action. Let's say a website. So for this we will be creating a shape which will say buy now. So let's go to shapes and let's select a square or rectangle. Let's choose this one. Now let's resize it. We can change the color, we can change the border, we can also change the corner radius. Let's change the color to black. And let's add a text. Let's copy this again. Let's duplicate it and paste it here. Now let's change the color to white. Now as you can see that it is behind the rectangle. For this we can simply make it Now to solve this problem, we have to order the layer. So let's go here, and you can see that we can move it all the way bottom. So now you can see that it is below from the image also. Let's move it a little bit forward and let's resize the image. Now let's change the text to buy now. We can also change the size from here. So let's say we choose it 50. Now if we want to add design assets, we can add it from here. So let's say we want to add something. Let's go for the trending. Let's add these flowers, and we can add them here. Now you can see that our Instagram post is ready. Now let's export this design. So let's go to download, and here we can select PNG and start download. For this we will be using solid color PNG. And as you can see, our design is ready. Let's open the file, and here is the design. By simply one or two clicks, we have designed this amazing Instagram post that you can design it for your own brand. Now this is just for the explaining purpose, and we haven't added much features or any added other designs. You can do that for your own designs. Now we have successfully designed our Instagram post. You can do that for your own brand by just drag and drop. That's it for today mini course. I hope you have learned a lot of things. Don't forget to share and mention us in your designs. I hope to see you in the next course. Keep creating and have a great life.